Hey everyone, you're watching Circuit TV. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this spinning toy. So let's get started. You will need a square paper. You can use either 15 into 15, 10 into 10 centimeters, or 20 into 20 centimeters. The bigger the paper, the bigger the model will get. So I'm using 15 by 15. The first step we are going to fold is in half diagonally. So take this point, match it with this point over here. Now open this fold, take this point, match it with this point. Just like this. Now open the fold and take the non-colored side on top and make two creases at the center, just like a plus. To do that, we have to take this edge, match it with the opposite edge over here. Now open the model and take this edge, match it with this edge. Squeeze it with your nails so that you will get visible crease. Now what we have to do is just take this fold first and form a line over here. Repeat the same step and you have to make this kind of shape. Now what we have to do is squeeze this hard first. Now take this point, match it with this point over here. Just like this. Now take this point, match it with this point, which is the center line over here. Squeeze it with your nails. Let me just zoom in a bit. Now open this fold. Open all the way. Take this inside and fold along this line over here. Now repeat all over the other sides, the remaining 3. While making this fold, make sure they are in the same directions. What I mean the same direction is, you can see that every flip, every fold is on the left side. You can see every fold is on the left side. Now you can see there is a small hole over here. You have to blow some air in it so that it will get big, just like this. If you spin it at this point, it will spin, but if you throw it from the air, means just let it free fall, it will starts to spin. I will show you guys in a minute once I give you the instructions to the next point. Now squeeze using your thumb and first finger, index finger, just a bit like this. Just pinch it so that it will create a small crease. Repeat the same step on the bottom. Now what we have to do is just twist it like this. You can either twist it or just fold it like this. If you don't want to twist it, I didn't twist on this one, but going to twist it on this one. Just like this, and your model is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.